Attention all thrill seekers, gearheads, and lovers of cutting-edge technology. In this video, we're about to unveil something truly extraordinary, the Porsche Taycan of 2025. Picture this: sleek lines, unparalleled performance, and the unmistakable roar of electric power. But this isn't just any Taycan. It's a glimpse into the future of automotive excellence. But before we jump into the heart of this electrifying ride, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest updates from the world of automotive excellence. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming up. So, fasten your seatbelts and hold on to your hats. The ride of a lifetime awaits. Let's explore the future together with Porsche. Pricing. The price of the 2025 Porsche Taycan starts at $101,395 and goes up to $231,995 depending on the trim and options. 2025 Porsche Taycan trim levels. Porsche says that the 2025 Taycan will come in two body styles, the Taycan sedan and the slightly lifted, more wagon-like Taycan Cross Turismo. Both surviving flavors of Taycan get the same significant upgrades when they go on sale this summer. The Sport Turismo model, which was previously only available here in GTS trim, will not be available for the US market when the car launches. What's new for 2025? The Taycan receives a mild styling refresh for 2025, which includes subtle updates to the front bumper, headlamps, fenders, and taillights. More significant changes lie under the car's sheet metal. Folks with range anxiety will be excited to hear that Porsche has made some adjustments in the name of improving DC fast charging speed. We managed to charge our test car from 8 to 80% in just under 17 minutes with a peak charging rate of 327 kilowatts. Porsche has upgraded the batteries, installing an 83.6 kilowatt-hour pack as standard and offering a performance battery pack that's 97.0 kilowatt-hour in capacity, the latter of which is also lighter than the pack it replaces. A new rear-mounted electric motor has shed some pounds too, and Porsche says the new motor is also more efficient. The combination of larger batteries and less curb weight is sure to improve driving range estimates, but we're still waiting on official numbers from the EPA. EV motor, power, and performance. Except for the base model, which is powered by a single rear-mounted electric motor, all other Taycan models feature dual electric motors, with one powering the front wheels and the other powering the rears. Porsche hasn't released the horsepower rating for most models yet, but says the Turbo S makes up to 938 horsepower, but that requires using the car's launch control feature. Without launch control engaged, the electric motors combine for a still impressive 764 horsepower. The new Top Dog Turbo GT model offers a maximum of 1,019 horsepower when using the launch control feature and 777 ponies in normal driving. All Taycan models also have a 2-speed direct drive transmission that plays a pivotal role in the Taycan's rapid acceleration and excellent range. An air spring suspension system is standard, and all-wheel drive models can be had with adaptive dampers. The Taycan's low-slung driving position, talkative steering, and precise handling are what make it special among electric vehicles. And it's comfortable too. Even rolling on 21-inch wheels with low-profile tires, a Taycan Turbo S we drove never felt stiff or harsh. However, we wish it had a more responsive brake pedal, especially since Porsche chose to forego one-pedal driving. 0 to 60 miles per hour times. Porsche has made some improvements to the Taycan's electric motors for 2025 to help improve performance, and the company claims that the base rear-wheel drive model can hit 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. The much more powerful Turbo S model is estimated by Porsche to hit 60 miles per hour in 2.3 seconds, and the Turbo GT can do it in a claimed 2.2 seconds. We've driven the pre-facelift Taycan 4S, and we're impressed by its prompt performance. That car hit 60 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds, and the 2025 model should be slightly quicker still. Those with a serious need for speed will be blown away by the Turbo S's rocket ship takeoffs. The last one we tested hit 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 ticks, but it had a mere 750 horsepower. We can't wait to see what the latest Turbo S will do with 938. Range, charging, and battery life. The Taycan's driving range is less than rivals such as the Lucid Air and the Tesla Model S, which can crest 400 miles on a charge. For 2025, Porsche intends to remedy that with a slightly larger battery and a faster onboard charger. The Taycan's range estimates were between 206 and 246 miles for 2024, but we drove a prototype of the 2025 Taycan for 313 miles and had 8% battery left, which we have calculated could result in a total range of 340 miles. The battery can now be charged on a DC connection at up to 320 kilowatts, and Porsche says in ideal conditions it can charge from 10 to 80% in just 18 minutes. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside the sleek-looking Taycan is a tech-laden environment. The design is ostensibly simple and recalls what we've seen in other Porsche models. As expected, the interior can be covered in a range of rich materials and color schemes. There's a long list of luxury options, including 4-zone climate control, massaging front seats, a heated steering wheel, and heated rear seats. The Taycan comes standard with seats for 4, but there's an option to add a third spot in the back if desired, but 3 across will be a squeeze. We found the electrified Porsche's rear accommodations and storage space to be a bit lacking, and it takes some maneuvering to get into the low front seat. From behind the wheel, though, the view out is excellent. Significantly improved standard equipment. In the new 2025 Taycan models, the list of standard equipment is even more extensive than before. Lane change assist, heated steering wheel, ambient lighting, electrically folding exterior mirrors with mirror surround lighting, Porsche Intelligent Range Manager, PIRM, a new cooling system, smartphone tray for wireless charging, electric charging ports on the driver and front passenger side, and drive mode switch are all now standard features. The entry-level Taycan models are now also equipped with adaptive air suspension. In addition to the upgraded equipment, the improved product specification includes a lighter battery with increased capacity. Infotainment and connectivity. There's no shortage of screens inside the Taycan, but there is a shortage of physical buttons and knobs. Along with the curved 16.8-inch display for the gauges, 2 centrally located touchscreens control the infotainment system. The top one is integrated into the dash and measures 10.9 inches. It provides access to important functions. The 8.4-inch touchscreen below enables users to adjust the climate settings, check the battery status, input navigation details, interact with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto features, and open and close the trunks and charge ports. Another 10.9-inch touchscreen is available for the front seat passenger, and there's an optional 5.9-inch touchscreen in the back seat that controls the rear HVAC and seat heating. Safety and driver assistance features. Every Taycan is equipped with standard driver assistance technology that includes forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, as well as lane departure warning and lane keeping assist. Of course, Porsche also offers more advanced tech for a price. For information about the Taycan's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Porsche provides a competitive warranty plan that's comparable with what other luxury EV marques offer. However, coverage of the Taycan's electrical components is capped at 8 years or 100,000 miles, whereas Tesla offers unlimited mileage for the same amount of time. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating journey into the future of automotive excellence with the 2025 Porsche Taycan. With its sleek design, unmatched performance, and cutting-edge technology, this electric marvel promises to redefine what it means to drive a luxury vehicle. From its lightning-fast acceleration to its extended range and faster charging capabilities, the Taycan sets a new standard for electric vehicles. Subscribe for updates and join us on the journey to automotive excellence. Fasten your seatbelts, the future awaits.